Welcome to 2021 Talks, where we're following our democracy in historic times.
We are not immune. We are not an island, and I see what's happening in other cities and states, and our violence is spiking up as well, in particular gun-related violence.
In Hartford, Connecticut, Governor Ned Lamont addressed a rise in gun violence during the pandemic and said $5 million in federal money will go towards community outreach, task forces, and data sharing. According to a Washington Post analysis, there have been 14 school shootings since March, the highest total over that period during any year since 1999. A D.C. federal court has dismissed 2 antitrust cases brought against Facebook by federal and state regulators, led by New York Attorney General Letitia James. The 2 cases accused Facebook of using its power to stifle competitors. The Federal Trade Commission has until July 29th to file an amended complaint. The World Health Organization is urging even fully vaccinated people to continue wearing masks and maintain social distancing as more outbreaks linked to the Delta variant spread around the world. Delta has been identified in at least 85 countries, including the United States. A microbiologist at Reading University, Dr. Simon Clark, says the Delta variant is about 50% more transmissible than other virus variants.
And that in itself means that it can infect more people. And even if it's not more lethal, I think the jury is still out on whether it's actually more lethal than other strains we've seen before. That presents a big problem.
Meanwhile, both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are likely to offer lasting protection against COVID-19. According to a new study indicating people who've received either vaccine may not need a booster dose for years. 55% of the U.S. population has received at least 1 dose so far. One of the main witnesses in Julian Assange's extradition case has admitted he made false claims against Assange in exchange for immunity from prosecution, a bombshell revelation that could have a major impact on the WikiLeaks founder's fate. Legal advisor to Assange, Jennifer Robinson.
Not only did he misrepresent his access to Julian Assange and to WikiLeaks and his association with Julian Assange, he has now admitted that he made up and falsely misrepresented to the United States that there was any association with WikiLeaks and any association with hacking.
And President Biden met with outgoing Israeli President Reuven Rivlin in the Oval Office, where the 2 leaders discussed U.S.-Israeli relations and Iran.
The United States and Israel are going to continue to work together to advance peace in the region and stability, and I have only one regret: you're leaving as president.
Biden also noted he had ordered airstrikes a day earlier, targeting facilities the U.S. military says were used by Iran-backed militia groups near the border between Iraq and Syria. For Pacifica Network and Public News Service, I'm Nadia Ramlagan. Thanks for listening.